Space. It's vast, it's mysterious, and it's full of wonders we're only beginning to understand. From the stars to black holes, planets to galaxies, there's a universe of mind-boggling facts waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll uncover 10 things you didn't know about space, exploring some of the most fascinating and lesser-known secrets of the cosmos. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive in. 1. Space isn't completely empty, it's full of dark matter. While space might seem like an endless vacuum, it's not entirely empty. In fact, most of the universe is made up of something we can't see: dark matter. This mysterious substance makes up about 27% of the universe, and though we can't directly observe it, scientists know it's there because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. Dark matter doesn't emit or interact with electromagnetic radiation, which is why it's so difficult to detect, but without it, galaxies wouldn't hold together. 2. A year on Venus is shorter than a day. Venus is one of the most extreme planets in our solar system. It has a day, the time it takes to rotate once on its axis, that lasts about 243 Earth days, while a year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, only lasts about 225 Earth days. In other words, one day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Imagine experiencing a year on Venus that feels like a single, endless day. 3. Space is expanding faster than ever. For decades, scientists believed that the expansion of the universe was slowing down. However, recent discoveries show that space is expanding faster than we could ever have imagined, and it's accelerating. This mysterious force is called dark energy, and it accounts for around 68% of the universe. It's the reason galaxies are moving farther apart from each other, and why our universe continues to stretch outward at an increasing rate. Yes, you heard that right. There's a massive cloud of ethanol, the type of alcohol found in alcoholic beverages, floating in space. It's located about 10,000 light-years from Earth in the Sagittarius B2 molecular cloud. This cloud contains enough ethanol to make 300 trillion pints of beer. While it's not drinkable by any means, it's a fascinating discovery that shows the bizarre and unexpected chemistry of space. Neutron stars are the remnants of supernovae, explosions of massive stars that have collapsed in on themselves. These stars are incredibly dense, and just 1 teaspoon of a neutron star's material would weigh around 6 billion tons. This extreme density occurs because the matter inside a neutron star is packed so tightly that atoms break apart, with protons and electrons combining to form neutrons. Meet UY Scuti, the largest known star in terms of volume. This red supergiant is located in the constellation Scutum and is so massive that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, it would extend well beyond the orbit of Jupiter. UY Scuti has a radius over 1,700 times that of the Sun. Its sheer size is almost incomprehensible, making it one of the most impressive giants in the universe. Space travel alters your body in quite a few ways. Astronauts who spend extended periods in space experience significant changes to their bodies. One of the most well-known effects is muscle atrophy. Without gravity pulling down on their muscles, astronauts' muscles can weaken and shrink. Another issue is bone density loss, as bones no longer bear the weight of gravity. In fact, astronauts can lose up to 1 to 2% of their bone mass every month while in space. This is why astronauts exercise regularly during space missions to stay healthy. There's a planet made of diamonds. On the distant planet 55 Cancri E, located about 40 light-years from Earth, scientists believe the planet's surface is made almost entirely of diamond. This diamond planet is composed of carbon in such high pressure that it forms diamond-like structures. Though the planet is incredibly hot, reaching temperatures over 2,000 degrees Celsius or 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, the idea of a planet made of diamonds is mind-blowing, to say the least. The Hubble Space Telescope can see back in time. When we look at objects far away in space, we're not just seeing them as they are now, we're seeing them as they were when the light first left them. The Hubble Space Telescope has allowed scientists to observe galaxies that are billions of light-years away, effectively allowing us to see into the past. This means that when we look at these galaxies, we're witnessing them as they were in the early days of the universe, an incredible glimpse into the distant past. The largest black hole is larger than we can imagine. The biggest black hole ever discovered, known as TON 618, is located about 10 billion light-years away. This supermassive black hole is around 66 billion times the mass of the Sun. It's hard to imagine such an enormous object, but the scale is mind-boggling. Black holes like this one are formed from the collapse of massive stars, or the merging of smaller black holes, and they continue to grow as they consume nearby matter. Despite their vast size, black holes are invisible, because not even light can escape their gravitational pull. Space is full of strange, fascinating, and awe-inspiring phenomena that challenge our understanding of the universe. From mysterious dark matter and vast clouds of alcohol to the incredible scale of stars and black holes, there's so much about space that we're still uncovering. The more we learn, the more we realize how small and insignificant we are in the grand scale of the cosmos. But that doesn't make the mysteries of space any less thrilling. The universe has endless surprises for us, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.